In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons on Mindnode. If you've ever looked at a mind map and wished it felt more visual and easier to scan, icons are a great solution. They help you tag ideas at a glance, highlight priorities, and make your map more memorable without changing any of your actual content. Here's how to add them quickly and confidently. Start by selecting the spot where you want the icon to appear. In Mindnode, that spot is called a node. A node is simply a single idea or topic on your map, usually a bubble or box connected to others. Tap the node to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight or selection outline around it. If you tapped the text inside a node and the keyboard pops up, that's okay. Just tap the node's area again so the node itself is selected, not just the text cursor. Next, open the styling tools. Look for the paintbrush icon, often labeled Style. This is the control panel for how your node looks. Tap the paintbrush to open the Style menu or inspector. Depending on your device layout, it may appear as a floating panel or a sidebar. If you're not seeing what you expect, don't worry. Just make sure you're in the Style section rather than layout or formatting for the whole document. Inside the Style options, find and tap Icons. This is where Mindnode keeps its built-in icon library. You'll see a collection of small visuals arranged in a grid, often grouped by theme. The idea is simple. Pick something that represents your idea, like a check mark for tasks, a light bulb for insights, or a flag for priorities. Tap Icons to open that gallery. Now choose an icon to add it. Simply tap the one you want, and Mindnode will place it on the selected node. You should see it appear instantly, usually alongside the node's title. If the first one doesn't feel right, tap another and the node will update. The icon will follow your map's style, so it looks consistent with your theme. This is a great time to glance over your map and see whether the new icon helps the node stand out in a helpful way. A quick tip for clarity. Use icons consistently so they signal meaning at a glance. For example, always use the same icon for deadlines or for ideas you want to revisit. Keep it simple so your map stays clean and readable. And that's it. Tap the node, tap the paintbrush, tap icons, then choose the icon you want. You've just made your mind map more visual and much easier to navigate.